Welcome to Woodex, where style meets functionality in the world of furniture. Need something? Just search it. From sleek desks to comfy sofas, it's all here waiting for you. Your profile? Just one click away. We've got your favorites ready to go, plus your shopping cart, of course. And oh, don't forget to open the menu for more options. We've got everything you need, all in one place. Woodex, where your dream home begins. If you're loving the vibe and the content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest. Your support means the world. Thanks for being part of the Valley Code Lab family. All right, let's start with HTML. This is the header of our website first up. We have a search bar, simple and sleek. Just type in what you're looking for and boom, you're good to go. Then we've got the Woodex logo right in the center, making sure you know you're in the right place. Now check this out on the right side. We've got 4 super useful buttons. The profile button, it's where you can access your account, all personalized to you. The favorites button, save the things you love with just a click. And yep, the number next to it tracks what you've saved. The cart button, because we all love shopping, and this tracks what you've added to your cart. And finally, the menu button, it opens up more options, giving you quick access to everything else. Now let's talk about the sidebar. This is where you get to customize your experience. First up, there's a close button at the top. One click, and the menu slides right out of view. Clean and simple. Inside the sidebar, we've got 2 key sections. Language options. Whether you're a fan of English, want to try French, or need Arabic, we've got you covered. Just click and switch. Next, we've got the currency options, because who doesn't want flexibility? From rupees to USD to EURO, it's all in your hands. This sidebar makes navigating easy and personalized, letting you pick your language and currency with just a click. Perfect for a smooth shopping experience. We've got 4 main items to help you move around. Home, because that's where the journey starts. About where you can learn more about who we are and what we do. Product, all the amazing items we have to offer, right at your fingertips. And blogs for some extra reading and updates from us. Need to get in touch? Here's how. Address: we're in New Delhi, India. Email: drop us a line at shivamgpt812@gmail.com. Phone: call us at +91 98 76 54 32 10. Want to stay connected? Follow us on social media: Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. We're just a click away. Welcome to the Hero section, where we feature our top picks. Check out this Art Deco home piece, a perfect blend of style and decoration for your space. Tap on the image or title to explore more. Stay tuned, more stylish products coming your way. We've got the About section set up right here. Title, Woodex Store introducing you to our design philosophy. Text, a little thought-provoking quote about art and design. Image, the promo banner for our brand, paired with a play button to let you watch a video when you're ready. It's a simple, sleek way to showcase who we are and what we stand for. Now let's take a look at our popular products. First, we've got filter buttons so you can easily explore all products, accessories, decorations, and furniture. Each product is displayed in a sleek grid, like this one. The Animi Dolor Pariatur, a stunning decoration piece. And of course, easy actions like adding to cart, wish list, or even checking out more details with a click. Super simple, right? Explore away and find your next favorite item. All right, let's break this down. First, we've got a section for popular products with a slick filter to sort between accessories, decoration, and furniture. The product cards? Each one shows an awesome image with action buttons for adding to cart, wish list, and more. And for the discount sale and 10% off badges give that extra flair. Plus, we've got a price cut from 190 rupees to just 100 rupees. Simple, stylish, and interactive, just like your shopping experience should be. Now, let's dive into the blog section. Here's what we have. A catchy title, Explore Our Blog, with a link to view all posts. A list of blog cards with images and titles like unique products that will impress your home in 2025. Each blog card has a Read More button to get more details. Meta info? You've got the date, author, admin, and relevant tags like deco. It's a neat and interactive way to show off blog posts. Welcome to the newsletter section. We've got a catchy message saying subscribe and get 50% off. Users can enter their email address in the input field, and when they hit the subscribe button with a cool arrow icon, they get signed up. Perfect way to keep customers in the loop with discounts. This is the footer of the site, packed with info and links. The top section includes the brand info, contact details, and links to social media buttons like Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. There's also a help and info section with quick links, an About Us section with more details, and a newsletter form for subscriptions. The bottom section holds a copyright notice with a link to the site's legal pages. It's a complete and handy footer with all the essential info, links, and contact options. structure is in place, let's dive into the fun part. Styling with CSS. Time to make this page pop and bring everything to life. We're starting with the root. This is where we store all our cool settings, like colors, fonts, and sizes. We've got colors like red-orange, blue-green, and some subtle blacks for shadows. For fonts, we're using Roboto for clean, modern vibes, and a touch of Mr. de Havilland for style. Sizes? We've got everything from huge titles to smaller text, all sized for the perfect fit. And for those smooth transitions, we've set up quick and smooth effects, so everything feels just right. Simple, clean, and ready to go.
We're kicking things off with a clean slate, no margin, padding, or unwanted styles. Links, images, and buttons all get a unified look, and inputs are styled for ease. We've also got smooth scrolling and a custom scroll bar for extra flair. Simple, sleek, and functional.
We've got a clean, responsive layout. Flex for social media icons, grids for content, and smooth transitions on hover. Sections are spaced out with consistent padding, and images are styled to perfection. The header slides in smoothly when activated, giving your design that sleek, interactive feel. Here we have a header with flexible alignment and stylish buttons. The sidebar slides in with smooth animations, holding your menu items and contact info, all set to pop when hovered. Plus, those notification badges give a nice little touch of urgency. Next up, we have an overlay that smoothly pops in and out, darkening the screen when active. The Hero section has cards with images that scale up on hover, creating a sleek effect. Plus, the card titles change color when you hover, perfect for grabbing attention. Section, we center the text and add some stylish fonts. The cards feature hover effects that scale up the images and add a play button in the center. When you hover over the card, the play button gets a sleek background effect. In the product section, we start with centered titles and flexible filters. The product cards feature a banner that fades in when hovered, along with action buttons that appear smoothly from the center. Special badges show up on the top left corner with vibrant colors. We've also added a neat animation for the product cards to fade in with a slight upward movement when the filter is applied. In the blog section, we have a flexible layout for the title and buttons, making it easy for users to navigate. The blog cards are interactive. Hover over them, and the button smoothly slides in from the side. The titles transition to the vibrant tan color on hover, while the metadata, like author and date, are neatly displayed with subtle separators. And the links? They change color when hovered to keep things visually engaging. In the newsletter section, the layout is clean and inviting. The email field stands out with a subtle focus effect, while the button sits neatly at the top right. Moving on to the footer, we have easy-to-navigate links, a contact form with a simple yet effective design, and social media icons that align beautifully. The back-to-top button is also a nice touch, fading in as users scroll, offering smooth navigation back to the top. Here's a stylish Instagram button with a modern twist. The button features a sleek, rounded design, and when hovered over, the background gradient smoothly rotates, adding a dynamic effect. The container also has a subtle change in background color, enhancing the user experience. The design includes a crisp, minimalistic feel, while still providing eye-catching visuals. For a more professional touch, check out the LinkedIn button. With its sleek design and smooth hover effect, the button features a signature blue background that rotates on hover, bringing an engaging yet subtle dynamic feel. The container has a blurred backdrop, ensuring a modern aesthetic. Switching to WhatsApp, we see a similarly stylish button with a vibrant green background that stands out with a rotating effect when hovered. Both buttons not only look clean, but also add interactive flair to your site with smooth transitions and a cool, futuristic touch. For screen widths above 575 pixels, the layout adjusts to a sleek 2-column grid. The container's width is set to 100%, with margins to center it. The header input fields get a cleaner look with a focused border color. The newsletter section adopts a minimalist style, while the footer splits neatly into 2 columns. Simple, smooth, and responsive. That's how we roll. As we scale up to tablet-sized screens, the layout adapts. The container width is limited to 768 pixels, and we spread the header actions with extra spacing. The hero section is now a 4-column grid, with some columns spanning across 2 for a sleek look. The About section gets extra breathing room, and the product title section is aligned for perfect balance. The newsletter card gets some padding love, making everything feel spacious and polished. Now, we're stepping up for larger screens, tablet to small desktop sized. The container's width maxes out at 992 pixels, and we adjust the grid to 3 columns. The Hero section gets a smaller, more refined title. In the About section, we add width control for text to improve readability. The newsletter layout becomes a neat 2-column grid with extra padding for a spacious feel. And the footer is reorganized for a more balanced layout. Clean, crisp, and ready for the big screens. All right, time to take things up a notch. We've nailed the layout, and now it's time to bring in the magic, JavaScript. From interactive elements to dynamic content, let's make this site come alive. Stay tuned as we dive into the code behind the scenes. First up, we've got the add event on element function. This is the genius behind adding event listeners to elements, whether it's just one or a whole bunch. It makes attaching events smooth and simple. Next, we've got navbar toggling. Tap the menu button and boom, the navigation slides in and the overlay takes over the screen. It's that smooth transition you love. And we're not done yet. With the scroll effect, as you scroll down, the header and back to top button pop up to help you out. Slick, right? Oh, and let's not forget the filter system. Click those buttons, and boom. You're filtering exactly what you need with ease. Simple, clean, and oh so effective. Now that's how we roll with JavaScript. Hey everyone, we just hit 100 subscribers, and I honestly can't thank you enough. Your support means the world to me. It's been an amazing journey, and we're just getting started. If you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the family. Keep supporting, keep sharing, and let's make this community even bigger. Thank you again for the love. Let's keep growing together. Keep up the awesome energy and stay tuned for more epic content. Peace.